Welcome to the last phase of this module, and in this phase I will talk about the ad sequencing that has been recently introduced by the Google. So firstly I will explain the concept of ad sequencing, then I will demonstrate how to use or design the video ads using the ad sequencing. As the name suggests, with the ad sequencing, you can tell your product or a brand story by showing the people a series of videos in the order that you define. You can use the video ad sequencing campaign to build the interest, reinforce a message, or create a unifying theme. That means if someone has viewed your first ad, then after some times, the second ad will be shown to him. Then, after a gap, third ad will be shown to him, and so on. This is very good option to tell your story by showing ads in a particular sequence to the individual viewers, with skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or mix of all these ads. Let us see how to design such ads. Select ad sequencing and continue. The bidding strategy is target CPM. Let me go directly to the ad designing phase as you know about rest of the steps. Create your first ad by clicking on New Step. Here you will give the detail of your first ad. Give any name to the ad group. Set the bidding amount. Create the video ad here by pasting URL of the video. Before you give the URL of your video, it is most important here that you have to link your YouTube channel to the Google Ads. Otherwise, your ad will not be added here. Let me first show you how to link the YouTube channel to the Google Ads. Then I will come back here. Log into your YouTube by using the same ID that you are using to log into the Google Ads. From here, select the YouTube Studio. On the left hand side, click Creator Studio Classic. Skip it. From here, go to Channel. Go to Advanced. You will see here AdWord account linking. Click Link an AdWord account. Now here at number 3, we have to provide the Google Ad Customer ID. But where is Customer ID? Go to Google Ad Dashboard. Click at the top right corner. This is our Google Ad account ID. Just copy it and paste it here. Assign any name to the AdWord account. Publish it. And save it. Now to verify it, go back to your Google Ad account. Go to Tools and Settings. Select Linked Account. Look for YouTube and click Details. One request is there. Click View Request and approve it. That's all. YouTube account is linked to the Google Ads. Let's come back to the ad designing. Copy the link of your video that you want to use as an ad. From here, go to YouTube Studio. Go to Videos. Click these 3 dots and get shareable link. Paste the link here. Video is added. You can see the live preview of your ad. You can select what format of the ad you want. In-stream or non-skippable. To make it non-skippable, choose the video between 7 to 15 seconds only. Let it be in-stream ad. Give the final URL and display URL here. Call to action is optional, but you can give it. Give the headline of your ad within the permissible characters. Add companion banner or let it be selected automatically from the channel. Here is the final preview of your ad. You can also see it in the new window in real time how it will look like in the YouTube. This is your ad on YouTube with all the details. To see it on mobile phone, Copy this link and send it to mobile phone and view it. If everything is okay, click on the Add to Sequence. This is our first ad that we have added to the sequence. To add more ads to the sequence, click on New Step and follow the same procedure. Our step 2 is added. Same way add the step 3. I am using the same ad, but please use the different ads here. Finally, we have created our ad sequence. Click Save and Continue. Your ad will be submitted for preview purpose. Congratulations! We have finished with the first module of this week. We learned about the very important type of Google ad campaigns, that is, video campaigns. Although I try to explain the every step of this process of designing the video ad campaigns, but still you have to explore few more options. So I will advise you to please create one dummy campaign and try to explore the rest of the options. Thank you so much for being with me.